Making deposits with zForex is easy. First, go to our website www.zforex.com. On the top right, click on Login. Put your email address and password. Make sure your account is verified. After you've logged in, on the left bar you can see Deposit. Press on it and choose the suitable method. For example, I chose crypto. Choose the preferred network. I chose TRC20. Choose the account you want to make your initial deposit to. Set the amount you want to deposit and click on Next. Here you can see the wallet address and QR code to which you can make your initial deposit. Copy the address, go to your wallet and simply paste the address to do your transaction. Once the transaction is confirmed, you can see the amount has been added to your balance. Access your account and start trading confidently with zForex, where deposits are processed swiftly and transparently, free from any hidden fees. If you face any difficulties, you can always contact us via email, WhatsApp or live chat.